They said.
Accident reported ahead.
Bitch, I know!
Turnpike S in a quarter mile. You're still on the fastest route.
Hey, I'm Buns. Good morning. Again, I'm whispering because the Pier is asleep. So, today is Thursday and my uterus is sponsoring the Cramp Festival. So, yeah, I'm just trying to make it, y'all. And it was unexpected. So, anyway, I want me some coffee, but I know I can't have it because I think they say if you drink caffeine it makes your cramps worse or something. So I am gonna see if I can make me some tea because like I need something, but I haven't been drinking any coffee as bad as I want to, but I don't want to be in pain more than what I already am. So anyway, I'm gonna try, I guess, this mint tea. Let's see, caffeine free, the Target brand. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try that and see how that works out. But I wanted to come in and talk to you guys real quick because I hope y'all can hear me. Today I leave out for Key Largo, and so I'm gonna leave out, I think I leave out around 2 o'clock today. So I'm working right now and I'll finish up everything by 2 and then I'll be headed out. So I still haven't even packed because I'm not feeling well. But I just wanted to come in and start off the vlog. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I was going to fly, but I went ahead and canceled my flight because it's not gonna save me any time. The flight is like 1 hour and 10 minutes, and then it takes 2 hours, well, 1 hour and a half, 2 hours to get to Key Largo from Miami. So, and then back to the airport when I come back, and then get there 2 hours early and all of that. It's just gonna take too much time. And to drive, it's 4.5 hours. So in the end, I'm only saving time driving. So that's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, so let me go ahead and make some tea. I just wanted to come in, and I'm trying to do better about coming into the vlog, starting it off versus just jumping right into it, like what the hell going on. But anyway, yeah, so I'm about to make me some tea and then get back to work, and I will see y'all in a minute, okay? Hey, hon buns, it's me. I know y'all probably can't see me because I got this thing like this, but anyway, so I'm just leaving out. I'm on a half a tank, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up before I get on the highway because I don't like stopping if I don't have to. And yeah, so anyway, I'm about to go in here and get me some snacks and stuff for the road, so I'm really trying not to stop. So all right, hon buns, we are back in business. It's hot, 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 hot. Where is my hand sanitizer? Y'all, I can only use Pier. I don't know if I told y'all that. And I slipped up and messed around at the kids' basketball game. And messed up at the kids basketball game and used the one there. When I tell y'all that's what broke my arm out, remember I told y'all my arm was broken out? That's what it was. So anyway, y'all, I know I ain't supposed to be having no caffeine, but listen, I didn't ask my uterus to play games this week, but it did, early and all. So anyway, I got my favorites, which is the Coke Zero and the M&M's. Anybody that knows me from damn childhood knows that's my ish. And then I got me some Flaming Hot Ruffles. I gotta keep myself together because I ain't used to driving by myself for long distances. Usually I have my husband. I mean, I have, don't get me wrong now, shit. I done drove like, what is talking like? I done drove 15 hours back to back. Like drove from Louisiana to South Carolina, turned right back around and drove back to Louisiana. Okay, so I can do it. I'm not used to doing it. My husband normally goes with me, or the kids or something, child. So anyway, so needless to say, I can't tell you the last time I went out of town by myself.
Turn right onto Magic Tree Drive.
I am half up. Anyway, I was supposed to leave at 2. Didn't get a chance to. Hubby hadn't made it home yet. I wanted to see him before I left. And then the boys from school, and those still ain't made it home. So, alright y'all, so I'm about to get this show on the road and trying to get myself where I'm not too comfortable while I'm sleepy, but also where I'm not too uncomfortable, so you know the crap parade don't be doing the most. So alright y'all, I will see y'all hopefully when I arrive or down the road. Yeah, I'll see y'all down the road.
That's all you've been doing, drinking and...
What's up, hon buns? I'm listening to an audiobook. Y'all, like this, I'm trying to be positive right now, but I'm in one of the worst moods that I could ever be in right now. I'm literally sitting in traffic, as y'all can see, due to the second with a T, not a D, okay? Second accident on this trip. This is supposed to be a 4.5-hour trip that I was supposed to be flying on, and yet my monkey ass decided, oh no, I'm gonna drive because it's gonna be shorter, considering the wait time, all of that. What I do? Get stuck in traffic twice behind 2 accidents. And you know what my time keep doing? Going up and up and up. My fucking GPS time keep going up and up and up and up. I was supposed to get there at 8 o'clock. It is 9:18. And I still got 88 miles to go. An hour and 47 minutes still to go.
Accident reported ahead on Florida's Turnpike S.25 mile. You're still on the fastest route.
See what the fuck I'm talking about? So by the time I look up, it's gonna be the same fucking time frame it would have been if I'd have got on the plane. Yet, I wouldn't be as frustrated, as tired. My cramps is eating my ass up. Like dead ass, which is pissing me off because I said
accident reported ahead.
Bitch, I know.
Turnpike S.25 mile. You're still on the fastest route.
Which, plus it's been raining. Let's just get that out there, okay? So I'm fucking aggravated. I'm nowhere near an exit to get off and just chill, go to the bathroom. My stomach is killing me. My uterus is doing cartwheels at the fair. When you throw balls and knock them damn pins down. You understand what I'm saying? So I am above pissed off right now. Above pissed off. Hey y'all. So I finally got out of traffic. And I got right at an hour to go. So I just stopped at Wendy's since I finally got on a road where stuff is at, and it took me off of the highway. So I'm assuming I'm leaving out of Miami and getting to Key Largo, headed to Key Largo. So yeah, so I just stopped at the first thing so I can get back on the road, use the restroom, which I hate public restrooms, so like, ew. But I think I'm gonna take some Aleve real quick, because even though it's gonna mess with how I feel, I'm gonna put it in my bag, in my book bag, and it's in the trunk. Damn it. Okay, so that's not meant to be, but right now that Aleve don't do nothing for these cramps, so it probably won't do shit.
Turn right onto Southeast 1st Avenue.
But anyway, what I'm gonna do is just hold off and then eat. But I just got me some spicy nuggets. I know.
Proceed to the route.
I know I'm not supposed to be eating spicy stuff, but now
Turn
that's all I
right
want.
onto Southeast First Avenue.
Now that's all I freaking want. And I'm not supposed to be eating spicy stuff. Where'd I put my glasses? Because it's dark and I need them now. Well, I've been wearing them since it was raining, but...
In 11 miles, keep right onto Sajuti Dixie.
What? I really did not want to be on this back road to Key Largo this late, well, at night, because it's just a little strip of land. The damn ocean on both sides. So, but it is what it is, y'all. So, anyway, I am on my way. Like I said, I just got me some spicy nuggets from Wendy's. And that's pretty much it. And a strawberry lemonade. So, yep. I will see y'all when I get there. Hey y'all, so I never did get a chance to come in and tell y'all that I made it in. And so right now I'm about to edit this vlog that I need to edit. And everybody's going to bed. It's like, what is it, 2:49 in the morning. I'm just gonna edit. I'm not really tired right now. Everybody's going to bed. And I think my nephews are still woke. So anyway, yep, I am chilling right now. I am chilling on the sofa bed, and like I said, about to get some editing done before I go to bed. So yeah, I will hit you guys back up. And I don't know if I told you, well, yeah, I think I told you guys I came down here to see my family, and it was my sister and my nephews, and my mom and dad are here, so I came down here to chill with them. So actually my family should be down tomorrow, and yeah, so we're just gonna chill out. But for today I did make it in safe and everything, and I put on my night clothes, you know, what I'm gonna wear to bed. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some editing done, and then till I get tired, and then I'll crash out. All right, so I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you. Tomorrow. What's up, y'all? Hi, buns. What's going on? It's your girl Amanda. Y'all already know. So it's the next day. It's Friday. My girl off work, so I'm about to get out here and go in some of these festivities. Look at brother-in-law. Listen. This man right here had me crying last night. All I'm gonna tell you. And I mean laugh and cry. But anyway, so I'm about to go down here and see what's going on with my sister and my nephews. About to have a good time off work, chilling. I need to get me a little tripod for this camera. But anyway, I'm about to go down here and see what they doing. I've been working my ass off today. And now I'm about to enjoy my weekend. So yeah, let's go see what's going on, y'all.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about, watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, doing front flips.
Hey y'all, I'm back. It is almost 12 a.m. if not already 12 a.m. Today has been a super long day. Didn't really get much done. I did get some footage of like the pool area and like the ocean and stuff, but we just went back in the house, went out to eat. But I guess we were just all tired or something, I don't know. But anyway, so we just got to our apartment, and so I guess I'll kind of give you guys an overview plus my husband and both my sons just made it. So we are pretty much chill. Hubby just left to go to the store to get us something to drink because we literally don't have anything. From the pictures, we thought the apartment was 2 bedrooms, but it's not. So the boys will be on the sofa bed, but you know, it is what it is. I don't know. Y'all know how these places be like, Airbnb type of places. For some reason, they always have a locked room. Like, which y'all doing in there? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour of everything, and then we will go from there. So I will start off from like we're coming in the door, and then we'll go from there. Good morning, hum buns. It's your girl Amanda. Y'all already know, okay? It is 9:25. We are getting ready to head over to my sister's condo. Take the boys over here. We're about to get some fishing in, which is why I got my get up on. Okay, I need my husband to snap the back of my head for me. So let's get ready to roll out. Got my phone. Oh, I need to get a charger, Abby. Yeah, I need to get my charger. And we are ready to go. I gotta put something on my lips, because listen. I'm gonna see if they ass in here ready. I think they bullshit.
Ah, baby, what's happening? You supposed to be hooping today, but I couldn't pass up all this water down here, man. Coming to get the fish.
Baby, can you stop the back of my head for me, please?
That's what I told you. I told her. I said, I'm going fish. She said, you going fish?
She said, you going fish?
You going fish?
You going fish,
Yeah,
mama?
I'm going fish.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
We got the family business merch on. Yeah, we fish too. We fish too. Bam. You see it? Bam. Y'all can't see it back there, but y'all can see it. Anyway, yeah, so we getting ready to roll out, like Nita say. The boys in here ain't doing shit but playing the games as usual. Say what's up, y'all.
Oh, I'm like,
Alright. Oh, let me show you the view real quick. It's like right in the back. Oh, Canon. Get your shit together. So anyway. Show you what we're looking like here. So that's the view. Hello.
that's a good size fish, though. Whole snout. Look like one of those snouts.
That's a good size, Dad.
Yeah, you eat that.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did. You made me wanna come through, 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 come through. Look at my, look at my, look at my, just to put it down on you.
I'll give it few. We're on island time.
Oh, I definitely want to get the smoked fish dip.
Alright, I'll get this fish dip.
And then I want to get the shrimp and grits with no scallions and no diced tomatoes.
I don't want to mess up. No scallions and no diced tomato.
Uh-huh.
Y'all have a wonderful day. Alright, so the shrimp and grits, no scallions, no diced tomato. And for you?
Let me get the ribeye.
And it comes in two, or how would you like it cooked?
Medium.
Medium, and you get two of these. We don't have the baked potato until then.
Alright, let me get the side salad.
What type of dressing?
Ranch. And then let me get the veggies.
The seasonal veggies?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You made me wanna SPI, SPI, SPI. You made me wanna look at my. You made me wanna look at my, just to put it down on you. You did something, but shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me taking a step back in my.
Oh, yeah, why are you scared of a floating dock anyway?
What's that? That dog right there?
No, he's talking about them docks that be floating, like with the water.
take off, take off, take take off, take off, take take off, take off, take take off, take off, take.
What's up, y'all? So we just came over to this restaurant called Thai Sushi, I think it's called. And we're about to get ready to order some sushi to go back to my sisters in them condo. As y'all know, we just came from fishing. We saw the rain clouds and got the hell on. So that's why y'all see the rainbow and everything. But we are about to order some sushi and then go back so we can watch the MMA match. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So we're about to go ahead and get our order on. So let me see what I want. I don't know if I want sashimi or nigiri, but hopefully y'all can hear me. Yeah, we gotta make sure we check that bag, cause listen, I ain't trying to get all the way down the road with the bullshit. I'm thinking I'm in the truck where I could just push the button. Push the goddamn button. He walking out there like he drunk. All that damn house. Hey y'all, so we made it back into our condo and we are beat. It is let's see what time it is. It is 1:44 a.m. We were at my sister's condo watching the MMA fight. We had to take our Fire Stick over there because their Wi-Fi has and we had sushi and stuff, and then I had chicken teriyaki, but I didn't get to it because I ate the tuna tataki and I was full. And then I had some pot stickers, so I'll have that for tomorrow. I have me a sweet tea from McDonald's, but I think it kind of made me sick or something. Oh, let me get my purse. Anyway, so we are back in the neighborhood. And baby boy actually stayed, Dose actually stayed with my mom and them. And then Davin came home with us. So yeah. Why you in our bathroom? You got your own. Huh? Huh?
I can take.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Why you so tired? You can't stay woke because it's late. Oh. Well, yeah, y'all. I'm about to lay it down, take me a shower, get comfortable, and lay down. But yeah, our Wi-Fi has like an access, doesn't have a password, so you can't connect the Fire Stick because you got to do like a verification thing. But anyway, we tired, we wore out, we back, and we are about to fall out. That's what I just asked him. I'm like, why? How you pass your bathroom to come to ours? Oh, it just came straight to, okay, I got you. We've been home probably now for about 2 hours. So I'm tired. The drive was 6 hours. And I'm tired. So yeah, let's see what we got. Oh, also, so CVS had some stuff ringing up 90% off. So I went in there for some hand soap while we were in Key Largo, and I saw that they had these right here for 90% off. It had a sign, so they ended up being 60 cents. Now, as far as the hand soap, they were not marked. They were showing as $4.99, but this they were ringing off You know, I always scan when I go to CVS anyway. So anyway, they were ringing up 29 cents. So it was the soft soap ones, but I didn't go in there for that. I went in there for the JW. Actually, I went in there for the lemon one, but I saw they had these, and you see it kind of spilled or whatever. But anyway, I went in there for the lemon one of these, and I went and scanned it, and they were regular $6.99, I think, and they were ringing up 29 cents too. So I went back and went crazy. Plus, I signed up for the Care Pass, where it's supposed to be $5 a month, but when you sign up in the store, it's free, and then they'll charge you the next month. So anyway, she said you get $10 off when you sign up for it. So I was like, cool. So I went ahead and got $10 worth of hand soaps and stuff and all of this. Oh, this is the one I went in there for. So I went there and got $10 worth of hand soap, and literally my ticket was 23 cents. As you can see, the discounts, they were 29 cents each. $3.49, coupon savings 36, so they were 29 cents each. The JW hand soaps were $4.99 each, and they came out to 29 cents each. And as for the food, let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Yes. Sorry about the TV, y'all. It's like super loud. Ooh, that looks so good. Hello. So needless to say, I'm about to dig in. I got this great hair. I gotta do something about it. This is fire. Okay. It's about to be fire. Yeah. So I'm about to get my eat on. And I'll talk to y'all later, but I wanted to come in and just wrap up the vlog and say goodnight. And I'll see y'all next time.